Did you know sneezing was sacred in ancient Egypt? Pharaoh Amenhotep III believed every sneeze was a message from the sun god Ra. Because of this, if someone sneezed in court, the entire trial had to stop immediately. But yawning was strictly forbidden. They thought it allowed evil spirits to enter the body. Anyone caught yawning during rituals was forced to chew bitter herbs until their tongue went numb. Even stranger, Egyptian brides had to perform a holy sneeze ritual. For 7 days before marriage, her family gathered each morning to make her sneeze with pepper and incense. Each sneeze was counted as a blessing for fertility, wealth, or long life. Missing even one sneeze was believed to curse the marriage.